Now, this match, our next match, has enormous repercussions. If former Ignite Wrestling Pro Champion Corey McRae is not successful, he will retire from Ignite Wrestling Pro.
Let's go, Skip!
So folks, the dust will not be settling anytime soon as we roll into a match 5. We have ourselves another debut today. As we welcome Northwest Strong, one of the fastest rising stars in British wrestling today, Luke Jacobs. Current Progress Wrestling Men's World Champion. Not many people can say they've held that title. And there's a reason why this man's star is in the ascendancy right now. The talent, the passion. This guy has got everything he needs to get to the very top of this business. However, Corey McRae held the Ignite Wrestling Pro Championship for so long, 14 months before he lost it to Gene Money. But then of course Gene Money was cashed in on the hands of Adonis. That's another story for a later match. I'll be talking to you about that in about half an hour. But Corey McRae lost the title, hasn't won a match since, and he said to the fans, that if he can't win this one, then maybe he's done with wrestling, maybe he's done with Ignite Wrestling Pro. So for today, for Corey McRae, it is all or nothing. Does he walk away from Ignite? Does he hang up the boots? Metaphorically speaking, of course. Is Corey McRae's story over? Is it finished? What a match to decide if you can still do this. One of the hardest hitters from the south, taking on one of the hardest hitters from the north.
Let's go, Corey! Let's go, Corey!
Straight away, both guys looking like they're fired out cannons at each other. Forearms from Corey, forearms from Jacobs. Oh! But if there's two men that can take the shots like that these two can throw, it's the other man. This is going to be the perfect clash of styles. This is going to be North versus South. Toughest guy in the North, toughest guy in the South. Oh, big back senton. Kick out at one from Corey. Forearm chop combos from Luke Jacobs. There's Corey going low, going high. Luke Jacobs avoiding him at every step of the way, but got caught with that drop kick. And looking for a wrecking ball style drop kick, but Jacobs ducked up and Corey McRae just decided to taunt the Northwest strongman. Oh, big drop super kick right off the jaw. Pulls him in. Oh, but wait. Jacobs hangs him up though. Oh, big knee. And Luke Jacobs goes up top. Comes flying in with that drop kick right to the back of the shoulder blades. Pulls him into the pin. Kick out at 2. It's been a weird few months for Corey McRae, losing that championship, not winning a match, and actually having the fans cheer for him. It's been something of a weird experience for Corey McRae after being booed here for so long. It's the pin. Kick out at 2 again from Corey. Big punch right to the top of the skull from Jacobs. Oh, just a palm strike. He had the higher ground as well. Palm strikes being thrown back and forth right now. As I said, if there's 2 men that can take the shots, it's these 2. Jacobs goes low, looking for a German suplex. Countered out of it though. Floats up. Oh, look at the feint and then the stomp to the hands. Deadlift. Oh, deadlift brainbuster. Into the pin. 1, 2. Oh, kick out at 2 and 9/10. Believe it or not, folks, dueling chants of let's go Corey, let's go Corey. Everyone in Boreham Wood right now behind the silverback.
Let's finish this, shall we?
Looking to hook in both those arms. Double underhook. Looking for the package pile driver, but Jacobs able to escape. Big boot. Oh, big forearm. Oh, and there's one from Corey. Spinning back kick. Springs up. Oh, he got caught. Got caught into the sleeper. Got caught with the sleeper, and right now it could be lights out for Corey McRae and his Ignite Wrestling Pro career. Rolls through though, forces the shoulders to the mat. And Luke Jacobs has to relinquish the hold in order to stay in this match. There's a German suplex. Lines him up, ducks through. Corey McRae comes down. Oh, there's a diving cutter from Corey McRae. Kick out at 2 though from Luke Jacobs. Corey McRae heads into the corner, but Luke Jacobs helps him up and over. Blocks the shot, eats the kick. Oh, and a headbutt. A headbutt from Luke Jacobs. And now as both men perched up top of those turnbuckles, Luke Jacobs hooks him in. There's a superplex from Luke Jacobs, pulls him up, hooks both arms. Tiger driver into the pin. 2. Oh, kick out at 2. Luke Jacobs throwing everything he has right now at Corey McRae, and Corey McRae kicking out of absolutely everything. Pulls him up to his feet. Kick right to the gut. Roundhouse kick. Oh, diving enziguri. Super kick again. Ripcord. Oh, ripcord knee. Up on the shoulders. Oh, there's a fireman's carry buster into the pin. Oh, kick out at 2 9/10. Both guys down, catching their breath. You can just see how much of a war this has already been between both these guys.
That's so hot.
Corey, get up! Corey!
Trust me, I'm trying. I'm trying.
Up on the shoulders. And Jacobs firing out with those elbows. Back elbow from the corner from McRae. He springs up, lands on his, almost on his feet. Oh, big lariat. Picks him up. Power bomb from Jacobs into the pin. 2. Oh, kick out again. But Luke Jacobs is unrelenting right now. Takes off the pad. Oh, clubbing. Lariat to the back of the head. Kick out at 1 from Corey. The adrenaline kicks in. Oh, lariat again. 2, 3.
Here is your winner,
Luke Jacobs with a lariat to the back of the head and then 1 to the front.
That's how a pro does it. A pro week in, week out. That's how the pros get it done.
Luke Jacobs, yeah, as he said, shows you how he gets it done. Corey McRae put up one hell of a fight. But there was absolutely no shame in losing to Luke Jacobs. But unfortunately, folks, that's another loss for Corey McRae. A sign of respect from Luke Jacobs. It takes a lot to get a sign of respect out of Luke Jacobs, I'll tell you that, folks. The man from Northwest Strong leaves with his first victory in Ignite Wrestling Pro after his first match. But Corey McRae, what does the future hold for the Silverback? Folks, I think we've just seen the last of Corey McRae in Ignite Wrestling Pro. The man who held the title for so long. And we say thank you, Corey.